So look around right now. I'm leaving. I really go to that trail and enjoy the nature over there. It's amazing. And look at this beauty here. So let's keep moving to explore the area. Hey, what's up? Now, where you going? Oh my god, dude. Look at this. What kind of bird is that? Let's keep moving. Look up how many are over there, dude. Look where I am right now. Oh, look at this. You are here for other crew trail location visit. Let's walk around here. I've been here before. You have all the information. Crew beer rockery swap. Here you have all the information. The maps, everything. So let's go walk here. This is a large walk. It's a pretty good day. Gorgeous day to be here. I think this is the second trail that I walked today. Alligators, of course. There is alligators. We are in Naples, Florida. So here we are, another day in nature. Look at this. There is more information here. More informations. Look, I'm sharing the trails with alligators. I am here today in nature, doing some kind of exercise. This is the beautiful thing to be in nature is you find this color in all these dark green and gray colors around, and then you see this. This is gorgeous. Those small trees, look at the color. There used to be water here, and those trees come up, and that color green is beautiful. Look around. This is completely different. Look at that. This is gorgeous. Get back to the trail. Oh, I'm going in the middle of nowhere. There's people walking in front of me over there. People coming by. Look at this fine here. A truck here in this jungle. Look at this thing. This thing here for years. Oh my god. What kind of car is this? Yeah, really old one. Old truck. And the lever here. Third pedal. It's been here for a lot of years. Look at that thing. Probably that is a good. Beautiful. Yeah, almost. It's getting dark. It's gonna rain soon here. But I'm ready for that. It's getting windy. Look at this.